Hello and welcome to this tarot video. In this video I will tell you about the 5-card spread, tarot spread. So if the cards have been shuffled, we shall arrange 5 cards in a specific order, and I will tell you exactly what the meaning of each card is. Let's begin with the first card. So we put the first card here. So this first card indicates the nature of the problem, the question, or the situation. So this is the lower row. The second card will be put on the second row, on this side here, like this. So this second card indicates the cause of the problem, the point of interest, or the reason for asking. Now the next card, the third card, will be put on the second row as well, on this side here, and this card indicates the factors that need to be considered related to the problem that we are making the spread for. So this is related to the factors to be considered. The fourth card will be put on the first row here, next to the first card. So this is the fourth card, and this indicates the advice, the solution, or the comment that is given related to the problem. And our last card is put not on the second row but a little bit higher, like this, and this last card indicates the outcome of the situation or the end result. So as you can see, it is not a complicated type of spread, and the only difficulty is to learn how to position the cards, in which order to position the 5 cards.